Hi, my name is Jeff, and today I'm going to build a table quickly in SketchUp for you. First, we're going to get rid of this person, and we're going to go to the rectangle tool, and notice here's the origin. I like to start on this line. We'll make a nice rectangle table, and you pull it out, and then if you look down here in the corner, you'll see the dimension box. And what you want to do, get that rectangle started, and then type in your dimensions. And we're going to make a table that is 3 feet by 4.85 feet, which is about the golden mean. And then hit return, and there's your table. Now we'll go up and we'll use the push-pull tool, and we will pull that table up. You can pull it up as big as you want, but we don't want a table that thick. We want a table that's 1 inch thick. 1 inch. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bottom side of the table. You really need a 3-button mouse for this. When you push the wheel, then it uses the orbit. If you scroll with the wheel, you zoom in, you scroll out. And if you right click, you get a nice nifty menu of things that you can do. First off, what we're going to do with that menu actually is we are going to make this, let's go to the select tool, maybe, there we go. I'm going to make this a, oh, we need to select all of it, that's the problem. A component. Making things components is a good habit to get into. And that way you can edit each individual piece separately. So now the bottom side of the table, we're going to draw another rectangle starting at one corner. And again, we're going to type in, it's going to be 2 inches by 2 inches. 2, comma, 2. It automatically goes to inches. You'll need to put a foot marker if you want it to be feet. And then back to the push-pull tool and pull it out. And we're going to say 30 inches because 31 is about standard height for a table. And then we're going to select that leg. Almost. If you drag left to right, it only selects things that are completely inside the rectangle. But if you go right to left, then it will select everything that it touches. So there we have the leg selected. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on that and say, make component. We'll call that leg. And now we use the move tool. And if you click on the option button with the Macintosh, it will make a copy. Click and drag. And I'm going to make sure that that's in the right place. It is in the right place. Good news. Now, if you can see quickly, you see the different axes that are different colors. So this is the green axis. We just moved it down the green axis. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that leg, and I'm going to say, flip along green axis. Now this leg and this leg are the same, but they're oriented in different ways. And now I'll come over here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and option again, and it gives me the plus right there beside the move tool. And if I click on this corner, it actually is a lot easier to pick up and move things precisely. So I'm going to pick that up and move it down to this end, and then click right on the corner. And then again, I check the axis, and we move that down the red axis. So I say flip along, components red, and now those are oriented correctly. And in a minute, I'll show you why that's important to orient correctly. And now we have one last leg right there, and this one we moved along the green axis again. So we want to flip along the green axis. There is your simple table. I'll leave it up to you to draw on aprons or whatever other details you want. And I'm going to show you one real quick why we want to flip those along the axes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to edit component, and that's all of these are the same component, and so they will edit in the same way. So if I just draw a simple line right across this foot, not that I would want my feet for my table to look like this, but you could do that. And then the push-pull tool, grab that and drag it out, and you see all of those change in exactly the same way. And there you have it. Quick and easy table making in Google SketchUp. Oh, I forgot to give you the address. We'll go Google SketchUp, sketchup.google.com. I highly recommend this 3D modeling program. It is great.